Hi all, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to create EPS client packager of Seqrite for a Linux operating system. I have one machine with me. This is my endpoint security server of Seqrite. So here you can go to start menu, and in start menu you can see a lot of programs that I have installed here, out of which I can go to Seqrite EPS console 7.60. In this folder we will get the client packager option, and you can click on that to open the client packager creation wizard, or else directly you can search over here for client packager and you can open that. So this is the window to create a client packager. As we are creating client packager for Linux operating system with certain custom settings, we have to choose here custom mode. Minimal mode is only applicable to Windows roaming client packages. So here we need to select custom. Then for OS platform, let's select here Linux. What kind of operating system is there at your end to install the client package, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, you can choose that accordingly. Based on that, you need to create the package. So here I'm choosing 64-bit so that the package I'm creating will be helpful to install the EPS client into all 64-bit Linux operating systems. So antivirus setup is by default added into it. And here for that, we just need to download one tar file with respect to your operating system. So as you see here, so multiple links are provided. From any of this server, you can download the EPS lin64.tar file. So to download that, just click on it and go to your browser and download it. So as of now, I have downloaded one file with me. You can find that in the desktop. So just browse that downloaded packager that I'm having in the desktop, so that we can browse that, and we can go with the installation of endpoint, creation of the package of endpoint security. So just select the validity if required. If you want to set a validity for the packager, it can be 30, 60, 90 or 180 days. So that much number of days the package will be usable at your end to install the EPS client in Linux. So I am setting a validity of 30. And if you're deploying with respect to a public IP address or host name kind of deployment of EPS server, then you can enable this option so that you can provide the public IP of your EPS server or the host name. If it is in the cloud or similar kind of environment, you can put that FQDN over here. So as of now, I'm not choosing it. I'm directly creating the package by clicking on create button. So this has created the packages successfully. So you can see the path over here. This Linux clag64.tar has been created successfully at C program file 86 Seqrite Endpoint Security 7.60 admin web build EPS lin 64. So from that location we can get the package. So let's open that from my computer. Let's open C drive, and here this program file 86, then go to Seqrite folder, EPS 7.60 admin web build, and yes, EPS lin64. Here you can see the package Linux clag64.tar. So this package got a size of 218 MB. So by using this package, you can install Seqrite EPS client into a Linux operating system of 64-bit. So for 32-bit, you can create another package and you can make use of that. So this is how we are creating the packages using Seqrite Endpoint Security Client Packager Wizard. We believe it's clear for you. Thanks for watching this video.